person is standing on a truck moving at a constant velocity of 14.7 meter per second on the horizontal road. The man throws a ball in such a way that the ball returns to the truck after traveling 58.8 meter per second. Now over here, if there is a truck over here, and if a body is thrown in such a direction that it again returns to the truck, okay, it means that it travels a distance, it travels a projectile motion, and it again returns to the truck, okay. But if it again returns to the truck, it means that the body with respect to the truck, okay, the body with respect to the truck should be thrown vertically upwards, okay. The body with respect to the truck should be thrown vertically upwards, then only it will return to the truck. If it is thrown at certain angle with respect to the truck, it will either move forward, or if it is thrown at this angle, it will move backward, okay, it will not fall exactly in the truck. So first of all, understand that the body should be thrown exactly vertically to the truck, okay. Now we have to calculate this velocity, that is the vertical velocity with which the body is thrown with respect to the truck. Now first of all, the horizontal velocity of the body with respect to ground, okay, with respect to ground will be equal to velocity of the body, or the velocity of the ball will be equal to the velocity of the truck. So now the truck travels a distance of 58.8 meter. It means that the time taken v horizontal is equal to distance in horizontal divided by time, okay. So over here the time will be equal to distance upon speed, which is equal to distance covered over here is 58.8 divided by speed. The speed is given as 14.7, okay. So when I divide this part for 58.8 divided by 14.7, the time given over here is 4 seconds, okay. So in short, the body travels vertically upwards for 4 seconds, or the vertically for 4 seconds, okay. Now the vertical displacement of the body is equal to 0. In the vertical direction it is equal to 0. So now we have to calculate what is the speed with which it is thrown. So over here the displacement is 0. So now we have to calculate the speed with which it is thrown. Now over here we will use the formula v square is equal to u square plus 2as, okay. If it is thrown vertically upwards with a velocity v and the displacement is 0, we have to get the velocity in terms of, otherwise we have to get the velocity in terms of time. So we will use the formula s is equal to ut plus half at square. This would be easier, okay. So now the vertical displacement of the body is 0. Initial velocity we have to calculate, let it be equal to v. Time is equal to 4 seconds. Acceleration due to gravity is in the downward direction, so I will substitute it as minus 10 into t square, which is equal to 4 square, okay. So now 4v is equal to 5 into 4 square, okay. So over here 4 and 4 will get cancelled out, v will be equal to 20 meter per second, okay. So if you see, the closest option is option number B. Now why has the answer varied? Because over here we have taken acceleration due to gravity as 10, but practically the acceleration due to gravity is found out around 9.8, okay. So if you substitute 9.8, you will get the answer as 19.6.